Hello, my name is Peter Magpayo, and I'm a scanning specialist with Kevin Root Medical. The purpose of this video is to go over the Manage Clinicians feature of our Foot ID app. The Manage Clinicians feature gives facilities with multiple doctors and clinicians the option to use Foot ID with one common account and email, or assign individual emails to doctors and clinicians in order to manage and submit orders to the Kevin Root Medical Lab. From the home screen, open the main menu and select Manage Clinicians. This will take you to the Clinicians list screen. At the top of this screen, you'll see a back arrow at the top left. Selecting the back arrow will exit the Manage Clinicians feature and take you back to the Foot ID home screen. At the top right is a three-dot icon. Tapping this icon will open a pop-up menu. At the top of this menu is Home. Selecting Home will also exit the Manage Clinicians feature and take you back to the Foot ID home screen. Also in this pop-up menu, you'll have the option to sort your clinicians list by name and last modified date. You'll also be able to delete clinician files by selecting Batch Delete. After selecting Batch Delete, you'll have another clinicians list where you'll be able to select clinician files for deletion. You can select one or multiple files for deletion at this point. Once you select a clinician file, you'll see Confirm Delete enabled in a red box and Cancel in a blue box. For this example, we'll just hit Cancel and it'll take us back to the Clinicians list screen. You can also delete a clinician file by swiping right on a clinician name. Foot ID will then ask you to confirm or cancel the clinician's file for deletion. We'll select Cancel again. At the bottom right of the Clinicians list screen, you'll see a blue button with a plus sign inside. This is the icon to add a new clinician. After tapping the blue button, you'll see the new Clinician Info screen. You can then enter the new clinician's information. The clinician's first name, last name, phone number, the clinic name, and the clinician's email. Please note, if you have multiple doctors and clinicians at your facility, you can assign these doctors and clinicians their own individual email that will be different from the clinic's email. Or, if your clinic has one person or staff member managing all orders to the Kevin Root Medical Lab, you can also assign additional clinicians and doctors with the same common email for order management purposes. Once you've entered all the required information, you can select Add Clinician. And you'll see the new clinician on your clinicians list screen. In order to edit a clinician's information, select a clinician from the clinicians list screen. This will take you to the clinician's information page. You'll see Clinician Info and the option to edit. Select Edit to enter further information for this particular clinician. You'll be able to enter a fax number, the clinic street address where the clinician works, as well as the phone number and email. Once you've entered the information, you can tap Apply or Cancel to go back to the clinician screen. Hit the back arrow on the top left to exit the clinician information screen, and it will take you back to the clinicians list screen of the Manage Clinicians feature. You can then exit out of the Manage Clinicians feature by hitting the back arrow. This will take you back to the Foot ID home screen. Thank you for watching, and take care.